Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do clothing unboxing videos. Some of them are styling services where you have a stylist picking things out for you. Some of them are shopping hauls where I attempt to pick out my own clothes, which is never as cool as when a stylist picks them out for me. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below so you can watch all my future videos. I like to do a wide array of styling boxes, from the well-known Stitch Fix to some lesser well-known boxes just to try them out. There are some other popular styling services that I really just haven't even tried out yet. I think my initial plan was I was looking for a cheaper Stitch Fix alternative, and I have found some great ones, Nadine West, Thrift to You, things like that I love. Now I am trying styling services that are actually more comparable to Stitch Fix in price level, brands, things like that. At some point in the future, I'm going to be doing what I think is going to be like a styling box bracket, if you will, kind of like a March Madness bracket, where I'm comparing all of them by type of box. And so I'm starting to try out all these different boxes so I can compare them in a future date, and because it looks like fun. So today I am trying a Trendsend box. You do not know what Trendsend is. They are a styling box by a store called Evereve. So there are actually brick and mortar stores in different cities. I think I have one in mine, never been to it, but why would I go when again they could just send me clothes. They send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. Again, like most of the other styling boxes, keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They'll charge you for what you decided to keep. There's no styling fee on this other than a $1 hold on your credit card just to make sure that it's legit. For this box, once I filled out my style survey, there was a very quick couple-day turnaround between then and when they shipped this out. I did not hear from a stylist at all, so I don't know anything about what they might be sending, who my stylist, anything like that. So this is very much a surprise. Now my understanding is Trendsend might actually be slightly more expensive than Stitch Fix. So we'll see. I always try to put in my profiles, please do as cheap as possible because I'm very cheap. So hopefully they can still somewhat keep the prices down, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so first off, first impression, I see 3 bundles in here. I see some stripes, which is always very exciting to me. I see some denim. So I'm going to start with the middle bundle and give that a whirl. It says "You are enough" on the sticker here. Okay, first off we have this tan cami, and I presume that this is supposed to go under whatever this is. Oh, this is soft. Okay, so this is a striped, oh gosh, this is so soft, short sleeve. There's a little bit of a sewed fold here on the sleeves, and then we have a tie front here, lower in the back. Such a soft material. Let's see what this is. This is 70% rayon and 30% lyocell. I don't know what that is, but this feels amazing. So I really like this top, very cute. Next bundle, this says "Outdream Yourself." This is darker colors here. We have a black tank here, just a V-neck tank. It's slightly, you won't be able to see this in the camera, it's slightly gathered here in the back. Very cute. And then we have a black cardigan. It's very see-through and light. You can see right through it. So it's a sweater, but it's a very light, airy sweater. Kind of a 3/4 length sleeve on these. So that is very cute. And then we have a, ooh, we have a skirt. I really like this skirt. So it's mostly brown, but it does have some black stripes in it, and then it's got this really cute tie in the front. So I really like this. This is just very different than any skirts I have, and I just think it's really cute. I like that it's both brown and black because it kind of gives me a wide variety of tops I can wear with it. Okay, that was bundle 2. And then our last bundle here says choose kind over cool. We have this cami here, just a loose spaghetti strap, layered, slightly layered, shorter. The lining on the inside is a little bit shorter than the outside, which you can see through the light. I don't know if you'll be able to see that with it on. Okay. Then we have a kimono, my very first kimono. I haven't loved the idea of wearing a kimono, but I always think they're cute on other people. So I've refrained from saying don't send me kimonos because I feel like I needed to give it a try. So we'll see how that works out. And then we have a pair of pants, which are just a skinny pant with a rolled cuff there at the end. I don't think it's sewn rolled. It's not sewn rolled, but maybe they pre-roll them for me because they know I'm a shorty, and that's the only way these types of pants fit me. So, okay, very cute. So that was my third bundle. Let's go through what else is in this box. Okay, we have the mailing bag. So I believe you have 5 days to go through what you want and then check out and get this in the mail. You also have this note, which is your invoice. I'm not going to go over prices until the end. And also they tell you how to style each outfit. I'll just read the introduction. Hi Jennifer, I had so much fun styling for you today. It's full of essential pieces that are perfect for your lifestyle as a working professional in Indiana. Have fun trying everything on. Let me know how it all works for you. And my stylist is Kelsey L. I'll give you guys a brief summary of each thing as I am trying on each bundle. So let's get started. Okay, first outfit we have here are the skinny jeans, which are super soft, have a good stretch to them. They feel amazing. So if the price is right, I will be keeping these. The cami does have adjustable straps, which is good because I think I'm wearing a little bit lower than I'd like. Slightly scalloped here at the neck. I think it's very cute. Would go nicely under some blazers. So I would, if this one's not too expensive, I would love to keep this. And then the kimono. I like it. I don't know how me it is. I think if it was the right price, I would want to keep it. It's just very, it's cute, as most kimonos are. It's very light and airy, so you can, even though it's not a sleeveless top, you can wear it all summer long. I like it. Okay, let's try on the next outfit. Next up, this is technically outfit 3, but trying it on second since I already have the jeans on. So we have the cami with the striped top. The cami it's a fine cami. I don't need it. I already have camis this color. I also don't even feel like this shirt needs a cami. So no reason to keep it. Again, the shirt is very soft. But I feel just kind of about it. I don't really love the sleeve situation. Just kind of this droopy sleeve. I like more of a normal form-fitting type sleeve, I guess you could say. There's not much room to adjust the tie here at the end, and I don't want to untie it because I might never be able to tie it again. But it's actually a little bit tight in this area, so I can't figure out how to get this to sit correctly back here. So it's kind of an awkward fit. back here. So I just feel okay about this. Again, super soft and comfortable. The stylist recommends pairing this with a pair of white jeans and wedges, and I think that would be cute, but I don't know, I'm just not in love with it. So let's try our last outfit. So my last outfit here, I have the high-waisted midi skirt. So it does go mid-calf on me. I don't know if you could see that, but it goes mid-calf on me. And then we have the tank and cardigan. So I'll start with the cardigan, very loose, airy. It doesn't wow me though. There's nothing about it that says, oh, I have to have this cardigan. And then the tank, very cute, comfortable tank. I wear a lot of simple black tops to work, so I can have some more pattern, colorful pants or skirts to wear. So I do like the top. There's nothing wow about it, but I like it. And then the skirt, very comfortable, cute. I just don't know how I feel about the color. The brown is just kind of like sludgy brown color. I'm not sure that I'm wowed by the color of the skirt. So that's the only reason why I'm kind of on the fence as far as it. But let's go over the prices, because that does make a big difference in whether I keep something or not. Okay, let's go through the prices. Now first off, we have outfit 1. We have the cami. It is the Allison Joy Leah scalloped cami, and this is $48. Then we have the kimono, which is also Allison Joy, and it is called the Lydia Floral Kimono, and it is $68. The Articles of Society jeans, they are called the Melody Mid-Rise Skinny, and they are $49.99, originally $64, so these are marked down. For the second outfit that I tried on, we have this cami here, which is the Beloved Classic Cami. It is $28. The striped shirt here, which is the Allison Joy Striped Camp Shirt, originally $58, marked down to $29.99. I wish I liked it more, I really do. That's a great price for that. And then from the last outfit that I tried on, we have this tank, which is the Allison Joy Marta Split Neck Tank, and that is $19.99. Then we have the cardigan, which is again Allison Joy Charlie Open Cardi, and it is $48. And then we have the skirt by Sunday in Brooklyn. It's called the Wrap Tie Midi Skirt, and the skirt is $49.99. So the prices actually are pretty decent. Cheapest thing is this tank, which is the $19.99. The most expensive thing is the kimono, which is $68. But I have several items that are, you know, in the 20s, 40s, 30s. So that's pretty decent considering on my last Stitch Fix, my cheapest items were in the mid-50s. So I'm actually really impressed with that. Trendsend does not offer you a discount for keeping a certain number of things. They already have things that are on sale and things like that. So what you see is how much you pay. But again, you know, I was very impressed with some of these prices. I do have a correction. This cami had said $48 on the tag here, but on the price sheet it says $39.99, so I am guessing that this is marked down. That being said, I really did like the cami, but I feel like it's just, I don't know that I want to pay $40 for a cami. So I think I'm going to be keeping the Articles of Society jeans. I'm excited about $50 jeans because some of the other brands are a bit more expensive and these feel amazing. And then the split neck top, which is $20. So I'm basically spending $70 today between these two items, and I'm extremely happy. Can't wait to try it again for at least another month just to see. and this was a lot of fun, so hopefully you enjoyed it. I do have a referral link below that if you click on it, I get a 20% discount on my next box, so that would be great. I'm not always the best about remembering to hit people's referral links, but I'm trying to get better at it. Unfortunately, some of these sites I had already pre-signed up for before I actually ordered any box because I wanted to check out the style profiles, but I think I kind of missed out on some of the referral discounts that you can get with the boxes. But I highly recommend using some of these referral links because usually you get a good discount and then you're helping a sister out because she gets something out of the referral link as well. So if you want to help a sister out, I have my Trendsend referral link below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see my future unboxing videos. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. Okay, thanks for stopping by.